Now, today's lesson. We know that sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments, or they are formed by the deposition and subsequent cementation of materials at the earth's surface. We also know that they are formed through a process known as lithification. And the lithification process involves weathering, transportation, deposition, and finally cementation. Let us look at the classification of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are classified into three main groups according to their formation. One, we have mechanical or physical sedimentary rocks. Two, we have organical sedimentary rocks. And finally, we have chemical sedimentary rocks. So let's look at the mechanical sedimentary rocks. When we talk about mechanical sedimentary rocks, they are rocks formed by accumulation of materials from other rocks which are cemented together. So when rocks break down and the broken down pieces or the sediments are cemented together to form another rock or to form sedimentary rocks, that type of sedimentary rock is known as mechanical sedimentary rock or physical sedimentary rock. Let's look at some examples of physical sedimentary rocks. Sand grains here are cemented to form sandstone. We have silt. The silt is also cemented to form siltstone. We have angular fragments of stone, and those angular fragments of stone are cemented to form the rock or the sedimentary rock known as breccia. Now, the types of mechanically formed sedimentary rocks. Mechanically formed sedimentary rocks are subdivided into two, which include 1. Rhodaceous rocks. When we talk about rhodaceous rocks, they are rocks formed from large, coarse grain rock materials. That means rhodaceous rocks are mechanically formed sedimentary rocks that have rough surfaces. An example is the conglomerate. The conglomerate is the combination of many different types of rocks. Then we also have breccia. You can see the roughness of the two rocks. Secondly, we have argillaceous rocks. When we talk about argillaceous rocks, these are rocks formed from fine-grained rock materials. That is, they are mechanically formed sedimentary rocks that have smooth surfaces. Example is the mud stone and the clay stone. You can see the smoothness of the surfaces. So you can say that the divisions of mechanically formed sedimentary rocks is based on the texture of the rocks. So rhodaceous rocks are coarse grain in texture, and the argillaceous rocks are fine grain in texture. In other words, rhodaceous rocks are rough in texture, and the argillaceous rocks are smooth in texture.